Most women actually follow the moon cycle and get their periods during either the full moon or the new moon when they're not using hormonal birth control. It's believed that you're most fertile when you have your period during a new moon, because ancestrally speaking, we would have been up at night 2 weeks later during the full moon with nothing more to do than get busy with our mate. So it was a perfect opportunity for baby making. This is known as the white moon cycle. The red moon cycle is when your menstrual cycle begins during a full moon, and therefore ovulation takes place during the new moon phase. The red moon cycle is thought to be followed by women who are leaders and healers. Pretty damn cool, right?